Hi, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Yasir, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you will create Node.js API using expressjs framework and database Mongodb. So let's start. I'm going to open my code editor. This is called VS Code. So I'm going to drag and drop my folder directory, and I'm going to open a terminal. First of all, we should initialize our package.json file. Okay, so let's write npm init dash y. So I'm going to clear this console. We are going to see here is a package.json file. So right now we should install some dependencies. So we will install express, mongoose, and dot, and also nodemon. If we use nodemon, we don't have to restart our server again and again. So they are installing right now, and this will take some time for install. It will totally depend on your internet connection. So I'm gonna wait for this. Before you write code with me, make sure to install nodejs. So you can download nodejs from here, nodejs.org. Please go ahead and download it if you don't have downloaded this. So that's it, and this is gonna be installing. Okay, it installed. So let's go to package.json file, and we should implement nodemon. So I'm gonna do this for saving our time. So nodemon, and writing index.js, and I'm making a file. This called index.js file. Okay, so that's it, and I'm gonna clearing my console, and I'm gonna check it out. npm start. So our nodemon is working. We don't have to restart our server again and again. So that's it. So I'm gonna import express. Okay, express for making API. Express require express, and also I'm gonna using express function for create our server. Okay, so right now we should make a .environment file. Environment file for we don't have to share our secret key like secret key and MongoDB URL. If we don't use .env file or environment file, while we will push it in our GitHub, so they will trace it and they will get a .environment file, our secret information, and they can be banned our account. So we should use this, and this is really helpful and amazing. So go ahead. So I'm gonna give this port name because of we will create a server. It's called local server. So I'm gonna give port 5000. So you can use any number what you want. That's it. Like you can use 6000, 3000. It should be express. Okay, so that's what happened. Express. Okay, where should be express. So make sure to you are writing right spelling. So that's it. This is server const, and I'm gonna import our port. So process dot env and write port, and we are gonna importing this variable. Okay, so let's make a server. It's called app.listen, and put our port variable, and I'm gonna make a callback function for make sure the server is working correctly. So let's write console.log server is running. Okay, and also we should require .env. Okay, that's it, and we are gonna see server is running. So our server is working perfectly. So that's it, and right now we should implement our MongoDB database. So let's do it. So go to MongoDB website, and this is the MongoDB interface. If you don't have sign up, please do sign up and sign in, and you will get an interface something like that. Well, you will complete some task and you will get something like that. Okay, that's it. So we are gonna go databases, database access, and I'm gonna make a new database user. Like I'm gonna give a name anything like APIs YouTube learn. I'm gonna give this username YouTube learn, and password I'm gonna give 12345, and you can use your own password and username, no problem. It's totally up to you what you are actually using. Okay, so right now we should implement our database in our application. Okay, so let's go databases and click the connect, and here is we are gonna say connect to your application. Okay, so let's copy it and go to .env. So I'm gonna give this name db, that means database, and I'm gonna paste this as a string. Okay, so our username was YouTube learn and password was 12345. Okay, but here's we are gonna see my first database. We don't want to use this, we want to create a new database. Okay, let's do it. So I'm using MongoDB Compass, so this is really helpful tool for MongoDB. So I'm gonna open this. So you can download this MongoDB Compass from Google. So just write MongoDB Compass and you will get it from MongoDB website. Just click it and go ahead and download it. Okay, so you can download it from here, so I'm not gonna go through. So that's it, just search on and download it. Okay, so let's back. Okay, so MongoDB Compass is loading and we should wait for this. And also if we want to connect with MongoDB Compass, let's go back, and here is we are gonna say connect using MongoDB Compass. Okay, so let's click it, and I'm gonna click it and go to MongoDB Compass, and I'm gonna paste it, and our username was YouTube learn and the password was 12345, and let's connect this, and it's gonna be connecting. Okay, it will take some times. Okay, so we are gonna see lots of name, database name, connect, eShop, shop. We don't have to see this, we are gonna create new one like YouTube learn API. I'm gonna give this name YouTube learn API, and I'm gonna give this collection name products or product, whatever. And it's gonna be creating. Okay, maybe it created. So here is gonna see YouTube learn API. So that's it, and let's write this name YouTube learn API. This is our database name, and all collections and all data go this database. Okay, so that's it, and let's implement this with our application. So I'm gonna import mongoose require mongoose. Okay, so let's connect mongoose dot connect, and I'm gonna take a new variable that's called db, and I'm gonna call this database from environment file db, and db request response. We are gonna create a new callback function for check it. Console.log mongodb connected. Okay, so it's gonna be connecting. Let's check it. And this is gonna be connecting maybe. Okay, we are gonna see mongodb connected. Okay, so congratulations, our mongodb has been connected with our application. So let's make API. So I'm gonna create some folders. It's called models and controllers and also routes. That's it. And I'm gonna go routes folder and creating new file product route.js. Okay, and I'm gonna go models folder and creating a file is called product model.js. And also I'm gonna go controllers folder and creating a new file is called product controller.js. Okay, so here is the 3 file. So let's create a model. So I'm gonna import mongoose, and let's create a schema, const product schema. And I'm gonna call the variable, it's called mongoose dot schema. This is the method for create model or schema, and the product name should be string. This type should be string, and required should be true. And this is the same. Description should be string, and description type should be string because of this is a text, so required should be true, and also price type should be number, and required should be true. Okay, so let's export this. Const product mongoose.model. Let's make it product, and I'm gonna write product schema, and I'm gonna export this module.exports product. Okay, so it will export. So okay, let's make route. So I'm gonna import express require express, and I'm gonna call router function from express. So express dot router. Okay, this will help us to create route. So let's check one route, router dot get product, and requires response. Response. Okay, let's send something or some text. Product route. Okay, so make sure to export our router module dot exports dot router. Okay, so let's go index.js and let's import router const product route require, and go to our route folder directory. So this is our routes folder directory and backslash. That's it. And right now we will use route middleware. Okay, so let's do it. Middleware for route, and let's write app.use. This is, we are gonna write this the root folder or root directory, no problem. So product route. Okay, let's check it out. Go to there and make opening a new tab. Postman is amazing for API testing, and I'm using this with long time. Okay, there is no directory, so I'm gonna write products. Maybe it should be product, not products. Okay, this is the product route. Okay, so let's create API. Go to product controller and import product model const product model. I'm gonna recurring this and I'm going model folder and importing product model. That's it. And let's create, or let's post some text or data in our database. So let's do it. So post product, and I'm gonna use a synchronous function. This is a clean and easy to understand and easy to write. So I'm gonna do this, and all the thing I'm gonna put inside of try and catch block. So let's do it. This is for error message, and right now I'm gonna give this variable name product and should be await, and product model. This should be product model dot create reg dot body. Okay, so I'm gonna using status code 200 meaning it's everything is okay, so that something like that. So it called okay JSON, and I'm gonna write status true and product, and also let's save this product dot save. Okay, if here is something problem or some problem, so let's write the status code with server problem JSON, and I'm gonna write status false. Okay, so that's it, and let's export this module dot export post product. Okay, So I'm gonna use curly braces because of this is specifically one function I'm gonna exporting. So let's do it, and I'm gonna importing this const post product require, and go to controllers and call this, and I'm gonna get rid of this, and I'm gonna write post product. Okay, and this is not in get method, we want to post some data, so that's why I'm gonna write it post, and post is a HTTP method. So there is a lots of HTTP method like delete and put, get, and much more. They are the HTTP method, so I'm not gonna go through, and I will show you later. So, and that's it. And before we check it out, we should do one thing. This is the middleware, and we should do express.json. This method will help us, and this without this method we can't post some data in our database. So let's check it out. So write the post and go to body and go to raw and select the JSON. So let's check it out. The product name, like I'm gonna give this name iPhone 13 Pro Max. Description, and the description like it's really expensive, it's amazing phone forever. That's it. I'm just gonna put some description, and also price. I'm gonna give this price like, okay, and let's check it out. Okay, a status true and product has been created. So this is our product. Let's check it out, our database. Go to there and go to YouTube Learn API and click products. Here's go, we are gonna see our product. So we created our first API with post method. So that's it, and let's go another method. Let's get our data, get products, sync. This should be requires response, and we are gonna use try and catch block. Try catch error. Okay, so okay, this is our product model. Let's write product, and I'm gonna write await and product model dot find. Okay, so res.send product, and I'm gonna copy this. This is literally same. While you will use custom error handler, you can, no problem. I'm just gonna show you how you can create your own API. So let's check it out. Go to another tab and just copy and paste it. Let's send it, and we didn't get anything because of we didn't implementing with our router, so it's the routes folder. So we'll export this and implement this. Don't forget to do this, otherwise it will not show products. And this is our product route, product get, sorry, this should be get products. Okay, so this is literally same, and just copy and paste and write, just replace this to get. Okay, it should be get products. Okay, so right now I'm gonna check it. Okay, so okay, you're gonna see our products. So that's it, and this is the process to how you can create your API. So okay, we can now we can create a REST API and we can get some data. So this is the process. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will upload more videos like this.